Welcome to Hub of Kids. PS. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel.
Believe in yourself. Moral story for kids. Once upon a time, in a quiet green forest, there lived a tiny gray mouse named Miko. Miko was small. Very small. All the other animals were bigger, stronger, and louder than him. The rabbits could run fast. The monkeys could jump high. Even the birds could fly across the sky. But Miko? He was just a little mouse. One day, the king of the forest announced a competition. "Tomorrow," roared the lion, "we will have a grand challenge. Whoever brings the golden grain from the old barn near the river will win the title of forest hero." All the animals cheered excitedly. Miko's heart started beating fast. He had seen that barn before. It was far away and guarded by a big sleepy cat. "I wish I could join," Miko whispered to himself. But then he heard the fox laughing. "You? A hero? You are too small." The monkey added, "You will be scared before you even reach the barn." Miko felt hurt. Maybe they were right. Maybe he was too small. That night, he sat near the river, feeling sad. Suddenly, he saw his reflection in the water. He looked at himself carefully and said, "Yes, I am small, but I am smart. I am quick. And I know tiny paths others don't." For the first time, he smiled. "I believe in myself." The next morning, the competition began. The rabbit ran quickly but got tired halfway. The monkey tried to jump across the river but slipped. The fox got distracted looking at his own reflection. Meanwhile, Miko quietly followed a narrow secret tunnel near the bushes, a path only a small mouse could use. He reached the barn safely. The big cat was sleeping loudly. Instead of being scared, Miko used his brain. He gently rolled a small pebble far away. When the cat heard the noise, it ran in the opposite direction. Quickly, Miko grabbed the golden grain and ran back through the tiny tunnel. When he reached the forest, everyone gasped in surprise. "The mouse did it," shouted the deer. The lion proudly said, "Today we learned something important. Size does not matter. Courage and belief do." Miko stood tall, even though he was still small. From that day on, whenever someone felt weak or scared, they remembered the tiny mouse who believed in himself. And Miko? He was no longer just a little mouse. He was Miko, the forest hero. Moral of the story: believe in yourself. You may be small, but your competence and courage can make you great. If you like the story, kindly like and subscribe Hub of Kids PS channel for more interesting videos. Bye bye childrens.